I chose civil and structural engineering because of the exciting job prospects. This degree is accredited by different institutes, so graduating from this course tells employers you really know your fields. It means you've got more career opportunities. We're taught to design, build and maintain and repair things like roads, bridges and underground transport networks, covering topics such as materials, the ground and the mechanics of structural systems. Maths and physics have always been a passion of mine, and this course really allows me to apply those skills creatively, especially when looking at the feasibility and sustainability of civil engineering projects. This is a big part of the course, as well as looking at the impact on both local communities and the environment. Class sizes are small and we work together to explore solutions. It's a more personalised experience, which means we get more time with teaching staff. A highlight of this course is taking a fully funded trip to Whitby, wherein groups were tasked to weigh up the benefits and the disadvantages that infrastructure projects could bring to a popular seaside town. This is a great opportunity to gain real-world experience. My time on this course has been invaluable, and to anyone thinking of studying this field, I'd say, go for it.